Whether you're an e-commerce business or supporting one as an accountant or bookkeeper, the last few years have been a roller coaster. Rising costs of goods, supply chain challenges, lower yield advertising, all of this and more has made growth more challenging for those selling online. Gone are the days of growing at all costs. It's now about growing profitably. But to grow profitably, you need to know your numbers and use them to make the right decisions for your business. The challenge is, to really know your numbers, you need accurate accounting. And accurate accounting is especially hard when you're selling online. Here's a picture I'm sure you're familiar with. You're likely receiving arbitrary payouts from your Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart or Ecommerce. Depending on the channel, those payouts can span multiple days or even months. Sure, they show up as lump sum deposits in your Quickbooks or Xero account, but they're not just sales. Those deposits represent a collection of sales, refunds, taxes, fees and more. They need to be appropriately categorised to help you understand how your business is actually performing and to even pay the right amount in tax. You might have tried breaking everything down manually in a spreadsheet, but that's a time-consuming process. Or you're coding the deposits as just sales only, which isn't giving you a full picture and actually possibly putting you at risk of compliance or tax issues. Both approaches are error-prone, time-consuming, and don't provide reliable financial visibility over your numbers, the numbers you need to make the right decisions for your business. The great news is, that's where A2X comes in. A2X is an e-commerce accounting app that helps businesses, accountants, and bookkeepers accurately automate their e-commerce accounting. With A2X, you'll save hours a month, accurately account for every transaction across your Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, Walmart and Ecommerce stores, get the data you need to pay the right amount in taxes, and have more visibility into your numbers to make smarter decisions. So how does A2X accurately automate your e-commerce accounting? It pulls uncategorized sales, fees, refunds, taxes and more from the channels you sell on. It auto-categorizes the data into accurate summaries, broken down into the right time periods and ensuring that the right tax is separated and accounted for. And it posts these summaries into your Quickbooks, Xero or Sage account to match with the deposit on your banking feed for one-click reconciliation. And that's it. Accurate, automated accounting for your sales channels that works in the background and gives you numbers you can trust. A2X is trusted by tens of thousands of e-commerce businesses around the world. It's built to scale and supports those selling on single or multiple channels in different states, countries or even currencies. A2X also supports the largest network of expert e-commerce accountants and bookkeepers. They trust A2X to help them provide their clients with accurate e-commerce accounting. If you're not working with an accountant or bookkeeper, we can't recommend our partners enough. They can help you make sense of your numbers. And last but not least, our support team is focused on your success. They understand e-commerce accounting better than most because they themselves have launched their own e-commerce store or have bookkeeping expertise. And our response time is hours, not days. When it comes to trusting your numbers, making decisions about your business, paying tax, calculating margins, or even valuing how much it's worth in a sale, close enough isn't good enough. Find out more at a2xaccounting.com.